Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Lapcare LWC 042 Lapcam web camera. This is the model number LWC 042. This comes with a All India 12-month warranty and has a pixel resolution of 720p HD. It's compatible with Windows 10, 8, 7 XP and also Mac OS X. What other information do we have? Over here it comes with 5 glass lenses, it has built-in mic. As mentioned earlier, video resolution, it shoots at 720p. Also comes with auto white balance, has video chat features and conference call features. Do we have any more information? HD 720p video calling, as mentioned earlier, with HD 720p video recording. Built-in noise isolating microphone, automatic low light correction, plug and play, high-speed USB 2.0. Tripod ready universal clip, fits laptops and LCD monitors. We'll take a look at all of these. Now let's open this box and take a look inside. So this is it. This is what the Lapcam web camera looks like. This is the model number for this particular webcam is LWC 042. This is a 720p recording and streaming. This camera is capable of recording and streaming at 720p, which is great. Also, it comes with this universal clip to basically clamp it onto almost any surface. You can make it stand like this, among other things. I mean, it has a decent enough balance, or you can make it balance like this as well. But basically, it's a universal clip. You can clip it to, say, top of a laptop or something like that as well. Let's take a look at the cable. Okay, there's a pretty long cable. This is nearly a 2-meter long cable. There you can see, this is almost a meter long cable, not 2 meters, a meter long cable. And over here we have 2 output jacks. One is a USB-A jack and the other is a 3.5mm connector. And that's it. This is what you find inside the box containing the Lapcare Lapcam LWC 042 web camera. Thank you for watching.